Sony has officially unveiled the Sony A7V, and it's already making waves across the photography and filmmaking communities. As the latest addition to Sony's legendary Alpha 7 series, the A7V is not just a routine upgrade. It's a carefully calculated evolution of everything Sony mirrorless cameras have stood for: power, precision, and versatility. Whether you're a seasoned pro, an aspiring filmmaker, or a passionate hobbyist, the A7V brings something to the table that deserves your attention. After months of rumors, spec leaks, and wish lists from Sony fans around the world, the A7V has arrived with a blend of innovation and refinement. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The new model pushes performance boundaries in image quality, autofocus intelligence, video resolution, stabilization, and more, all wrapped in a compact, weather-sealed body that stays true to the Alpha DNA. In this video, we'll walk you through the features, specs, design updates, video capabilities, pricing, and everything else you need to know about the Sony A7V. The A7 series has always held a unique position in Sony's lineup. While the A1, A7R, and A9 models focus on very specific high-end markets, resolution, speed, or pro sports, the A7 line has always aimed for the perfect balance. The A7V continues this tradition but takes it up a notch by integrating technologies from all of Sony's best systems. This camera isn't just a successor to the A7 IV, it's a hybrid flagship in its own right, capable of handling everything from cinematic filmmaking and high-end portrait photography to fast-paced wildlife and travel content. With the Sony A7V, professionals now have an extremely capable tool that doesn't force compromises between stills and video. At the core of the Sony A7V lies a brand new 33-megapixel back-illuminated full-frame sensor, delivering high dynamic range and improved low-light sensitivity. While some expected a jump in megapixels, Sony has chosen to optimize performance instead of chasing numbers. The result? A sensor that can handle everything, from rich raw photography to detailed video capture, with incredible balance. This sensor is designed to extract every ounce of detail without compromising speed. The BSI, backside illuminated, architecture enables more efficient light gathering, resulting in cleaner images at higher ISOs, better highlight retention, and deeper shadow recovery. It's a perfect match for today's hybrid creators who demand exceptional results in unpredictable conditions. To support the new sensor, the A7V utilizes dual Bionz XR image processors, bringing massive performance gains across the board. These processors are the same ones found in Sony's flagship A1 and FX cameras, enabling super-fast readout, minimal rolling shutter, and virtually instant image processing. Thanks to this dual-processor architecture, users benefit from 20 frames per second burst shooting with full AF/AE, instant real-time tracking and face detection, 8K and 4K video recording with minimal heat, reduced image lag and blackout-free EVF previews. Whether you're capturing wildlife, weddings, or action sports, this processing power guarantees you never miss the shot, and you don't have to compromise image quality to get it. Autofocus on the A7V is next level, integrating Sony's latest AI-based subject recognition system. First introduced in the A7RV and A9 III, this new autofocus engine doesn't just lock onto faces and eyes, it understands what you're shooting.